In today's tapping, we are going to release suppressed anger from our body. This was a request that was made on one of my YouTube videos, so I hope that this helps whoever needs to forgive themselves for feeling angry and those that just want to feel more calm and peace. All this suppressed anger, all this anger I'm holding on to, it's hard to let it go. Even though I have all this anger within me, I deeply and completely love, accept, and forgive myself. I acknowledge all this anger. I give myself permission to feel all this anger. It's safe for me to accept this anger. I'm not judging myself for feeling all this anger. I'm open to forgiving myself for holding on to this anger. I'm open to forgiving others who have hurt me. I'm ready for my healing to begin. I can take this slowly. I don't have to let go of all this anger right now. I can be patient with myself. The more I tap, the lighter and more peaceful I feel. I'm worthy of peace and healing. I slowly transform this anger into peace now. With each tap, I feel more and more at peace with myself. I allow myself to feel calm right now. I'm releasing all this suppressed anger from within my body, from deep within my cells. I'm completely at peace with myself. And I deeply and completely love and accept myself. If you're wondering why sometimes I go through the tapping points really fast, it's all intentional because I don't want to give your brain a chance to stop and make excuses or think of, an opposing thought. So if you think I'm going fast, just stick with it and just go through it again and again. You can do this tapping as many times as you want until you feel neutral, until you feel that you're not angry at yourself or you're not angry at others. And of course, I kept this tapping sequence general because suppressed anger is something that if you are feeling within yourself, it can build up into many different types of emotions like sadness or resentment. And if you truly want to release it, I would probably need to work with you one-on-one. So I don't want to, re-trigger anybody. That's why I just kept this, tapping sequence very general. Okay. But if you want to work with me one-on-one, then the links are below. All of my EFT tapping courses are below as well. They're like a steal. Okay. They're like $100, $200. The value is insane. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.